How to use Face ID to log into apps. Let's get started. For the apps in your device, you can use Face ID to log in instead of the password. To set up that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. Now go ahead and type in your phone's passcode. You will be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find this option of other apps. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find the list of the apps. This option might not be available for all the apps, but for the apps that are available over here, you can easily use the Face ID to log in. All you have to do is enable for this option. Now you are able to get access to these apps without entering the password. You just have to use your Face ID. So this way you can easily use Face ID to log into apps. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.